Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make broccoli and spinach salad. First, gather your fresh ingredients. About 2 cups of broccoli florets and 4 cups of baby spinach. For the dressing, you'll need a 1/4 cup of olive oil, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, and a pinch of salt and pepper. You can also add 1/4 cup of chopped red onion or bell peppers for extra flavor and crunch. Begin by washing your broccoli florets and baby spinach thoroughly under cold water. Pat them dry with a clean towel or use a salad spinner for the spinach. Next, blanch the broccoli. Bring a pot of water to a rolling boil, add the florets, and cook for just 2 to 3 minutes until bright green. Quickly transfer them to an ice bath to stop the cooking process and preserve their vibrant color. Once your blanched broccoli has cooled completely, drain it well. In a large mixing bowl, combine the cooled broccoli, fresh baby spinach, and any other chopped vegetables you're using, like the red onion. In a separate small bowl, whisk together the olive oil, lemon juice, salt, and pepper until the dressing is emulsified. Pour this delicious dressing over your salad and toss gently to ensure everything is evenly coated. Your easy broccoli and spinach salad is now ready to serve. For an extra touch, consider garnishing it with some toasted slivered almonds, sunflower seeds, or a sprinkle of crumbled feta cheese. This salad is perfect as a light lunch or a refreshing side dish for dinner. It's packed with nutrients and flavor, making it a fantastic addition to any meal. Be sure to check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.